In the summer of 2024, residents and guests are going to be the first to occupy St. Regis Longboat Key. Join me today as we take an insider's look at the amenities, floor plans, and features of this iconic property here on Longboat Key. It was in 1904 that John Jacob Astor IV launched the first St. Regis in New York City. In the summer of 2024, the residents of Longboat Key and all of Sarasota will have the good fortune to have a St. Regis right here on our shores. The St. Regis Residences Longboat Key will be nestled on 18 acres along 800 feet of beach. There will be 69 residences spread among 3 distinct buildings. Each building has 6 stories. There are going to be 18 unique floor plans ranging in square footage from 1,500 to just under 6,000 square feet. Also, there are going to be 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and even 4 bedrooms located on this property. One of the hallmarks of a St. Regis is their legendary customer service. All residents will have the opportunity to engage and enjoy the private butler and concierge services. They'll also have access to a private clubhouse, bar, lounge, and incredible fitness opportunities. Living here allows you to take advantage of this incredible outdoor space and pool known as the Gulf of Mexico. But there's also a private pool right on the resort property just for residents to use. And a few special owners will have the opportunity to purchase residences that have their own dipping pool right out their front door. At the conclusion of every day here on Longboat Key, residents will have the opportunity to engage in a decades-old tradition, the opening of the champagne with the legendary Sabre, right here while watching the sunset. Sarasota, Florida is a waterfront community located on the west coast of Florida. It's been enjoyed by its inhabitants for thousands of years. It was put on the map, though, by John and Mabel Ringling of circus fame. John and his wife came here in the early 1900s and brought the circus with them, and that's what put Sarasota on the map. Sarasota is made up of 7 barrier islands, one of which is Longboat Key, where we're standing. It's 12 miles long and has Sarasota Bay on one side and the Gulf of Mexico on the other. People love this waterfront community for swimming, boating, fishing, and all sorts of wildlife. What they also love is its proximity to St. Armand's Circle, a great shopping and eating destination. And it's just a short distance as the Pelican flies to downtown Sarasota, the arts and cultural capital of the entire state of Florida. When purchasing real estate here in Sarasota, especially pre and new construction, we don't know what we don't know. We will work with you every step of the way. We know the legal, we understand contracts, we understand what incentives may be being offered by a developer at any given time. We know this segment of the market so well that we've written the essential guide to buying new construction here in Sarasota. Give me a call. I look forward to working together.